Hello everyone, here is a question based on mole concept and stoichiometry. The amount of carbon dioxide evolved upon complete combustion of 116 gram of normal butane is how much? Butane is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Therefore, what we have is C4H10. If C4H10 undergoes complete combustion, let us first write the equation for 1 mole. Then we would get 4 moles of CO2 because we have 4 carbon atoms in 1 mole, and then 5 moles of water because we have 10 hydrogen atoms. Let us balance the oxygen atoms. We have 8 plus 5, 13 on the product side. Therefore, 13 by 2 moles of O2 on the reactant side. Now the equation is completely balanced. Here the weight is given, which means number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Therefore, this is equal to 116 gram divided by molar mass of butane is 4 times 12, that is 48, and then 10 times 1, 10, so 58 gram per mole. That means 2 moles, isn't it? So, if it is 2 moles, then we should get 8 moles of CO2 because 1 mole is giving 4 moles. Therefore, 2 moles should give 8 moles, which means mass is equal to 8 moles times molar mass of CO2, that is 44 gram per mole, which means 4 times 8, 32, remaining 3, again 4 times 8, 32 plus 3, 35. So, 352 gram, which means option 1 is correct.